Imagine getting 2, maybe 3 hours of your day back every single day. That sounds impossible. And after testing dozens of the latest AI productivity apps, you might still be unconvinced. Many of these tools fail under the pressure of a real daily routine. You encounter half-finished features and recycled demos that look impressive, but create more friction than they solve. We are filtering out the gimmicks to find the specific platforms that cut research and execution time down to minutes. These tools generate their highest ROI by automating the repetitive first 80% of a task. To rank these tools, we are using a specific framework, the return on time invested. This chart measures every app by a strict metric of your input versus the actual outcome. Reaching that high impact zone requires you to pivot. You have to step back from ground-up creation and move into the role of a high-level editor. This audit focuses strictly on how these tools solve specific professional bottlenecks. We'll start the countdown now, beginning with tools 10 through 6. Building visual layouts is a persistent bottleneck. Most people spend hours fighting with alignment, text boxes, and slide templates. Number 10 is Gamma, with a score of 8.5 out of 10. Instead of picking layouts manually, you describe the structural needs of the presentation. In minutes, you have a designed 80% finished deck. You do lose granular design control. You trade that ground-up customization for speed, which means you must still invest time polishing the final 20% for accuracy. There is a separate tool for scaling visual assets that you likely already have installed, even if you aren't using the AI features. Number 9 is Canva AI, rating a 9 out of 10. It provides instant multi-platform resizing, automated background removal, and generates specific imagery, so you aren't searching through stock photo sites for the 40th time this month. You are choosing volume and multi-platform scaling over bespoke artistic originality. For creators, the highest ROI comes from using AI to handle the scale of production rather than the initial spark of the idea. Scaling audio production creates a different kind of creator bottleneck. That leads to number 8, ElevenLabs, at 9 out of 10. You feed a script into the generator and receive audio with natural human pacing and breathing. This enables instant multi-language dubbing. A single script can become a dozen versions of the same video without the cost of hiring multiple voice actors. The trade-off is the loss of those hyper-specific emotional nuances that only a human director can pull from a live actor. Beyond media production, unmanaged notes and messy workspaces create a constant, exhausting drag on your overall daily productivity. Number 7 is Notion AI, rating 9.1. It turns a messy brain dump into a functioning second brain. It handles the background work of organizing notes, generating tasks, and summarizing meetings. However, this requires a deep operational commitment. Splitting your workflow across other apps creates high friction that negates the organization the AI provides. Systematizing your audio or your knowledge base means surrendering control to the internal logic of the platform. Modern software development now relies on AI as a core operational requirement. Number 6 is Cursor, scoring 9.3. It allows you to delegate entire coding tasks to autonomous background agents that work independently on its own frontier model. These agents can refactor legacy projects and find bugs before they ever reach a live environment. The agent eventually returns with a finished pull request, leaving only the final review to you. To make this work, you still need a baseline understanding of logic to review the agent's architectural decisions. Efficient software building now focuses less on typing code and more on managing the machine's underlying logic. Reclaiming your time depends on this shift from a creator to an editor. This decision tree maps the first 5 tools to specific workflow bottlenecks. If you struggle with visual layouts or design volume, Gamma and Canva are the primary solutions. For audio scaling, look at ElevenLabs. For internal knowledge management, Notion AI is the answer. And if the bottleneck is shipping software, Cursor becomes the priority. That is the first half of the audit. The remaining 5 tools include a model that changes the speed of research and a platform that has become a highly comprehensive AI workspace. We will dive into the top 5 essential tools in Part 2. We've spent years using AI to tweak paragraphs or generate quick images, but there is a clear line between an app that assists you and a tool that reorders your workflow. The apps ranked 10 through 6, Gamma, Canva AI, ElevenLabs, Notion AI, and Cursor, are effective utilities. They help you perform specific tasks better, but they don't necessarily change your system. The top 5 tools on this list force a different decision. You have to choose between deep, hyper-focused specialization or frictionless generalization. Adopting all 5 of these creates more friction than it solves. If you try to manage too many intelligent systems at once, the software becomes the bottleneck. To avoid that, we use the scenario match. The goal is to map one specific tool to the primary friction you face every day. As we count down the top 5, we populate this map, helping you identify which system your work requires. True efficiency comes from choosing the exact right tool for your specific scenario and ignoring the rest of the noise. At number 5 is NotebookLM. It remains Google's most underrated product, especially after its recent upgrade to localized data analysis. You can upload research papers, entire books, and lecture notes into a secure workspace. It reads everything and grounds every answer only in the sources you provided. It now writes and executes code to analyze your data directly. It provides hard results from your files instead of describing what the data probably shows. It also turns that raw data into cinematic video overviews and podcast-style summaries to help you digest information faster. The trade-off is breadth. NotebookLM isn't designed for daily emails or general creative brainstorming. NotebookLM handles the heavy lifting for students dealing with massive volumes of specific source material. Number 4 is Claude. Many users misjudge this tool because they haven't tried the latest models, which handle complex projects very differently than previous versions. It manages long documents, logical reasoning, and heavy editing within a single, continuous project window. Many writers prefer Claude because of its output. It avoids predictable sentence structures and reads like a first draft from a person, rather than a machine trying to sound like one. The cost is manual effort. You have to be thoughtful with your prompts, and it lacks the built-in application integrations found in larger tech ecosystems. Claude serves writers and creators who require a human-sounding first draft above all else. Number 3, Perplexity, has moved from a search tool with citations to an engine that automates multi-step research workflows. Google gives you links, but Perplexity gives you the answer with the sources cited directly underneath. Research that used to take an hour now happens in minutes. It uses an AI browser to break off into separate tasks, researching autonomously and carrying data straight into a finished report. Its Model Council feature then runs your query through multiple models side by side, avoiding reliance on a single system. Since it is an analytical tool, it struggles with highly creative or original concepts that aren't based on existing facts. Perplexity solves the daily friction of manual web research and information cross-referencing. Gemini takes the number 2 spot because of its location. It lives everywhere your work already happens. It is natively integrated into Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive, and the Android operating system. The 3.6 Flash model positions Gemini as a background layer. It automates tasks while you type, removing the friction of visiting a separate app for help. To get this convenience, you accept rigid ecosystem lock-in and sacrifice the specialized autonomous power of other tools. Gemini provides the highest speed and continuity for anyone already living in the Google ecosystem. Number 1 is ChatGPT. It takes the top spot because it replaces more individual applications than any other tool on this list. It provides writing, coding, brainstorming, image generation, and voice conversations in one place. It now uses ChatGPT Work to pull context directly from external apps like Slack and Notion. It turns that scattered context into finished documents and presentations without you having to assemble the files by hand. It has clear weaknesses compared to the specialists. Claude is a better writer, Perplexity researches better, and Cursor is a better coder. But for the average user, breadth is more valuable than depth. It prevents the constant app switching that kills productivity. ChatGPT remains the central hub for users who need to manage a dozen different tasks without switching apps. The decision framework is now complete. Deep research maps to NotebookLM, nuanced writing to Claude, fact-finding to Perplexity, the Google ecosystem to Gemini, and multitasking to ChatGPT. You don't need to chase every new release. Just commit to the tool matching your specific output. The final ranking: 10, Gamma; 9, Canva AI; 8, ElevenLabs; 7, Notion AI; 6, Cursor; 5, NotebookLM; 4, Claude; 3, Perplexity; 2, Gemini; 1, ChatGPT. Which AI tool actually saves you time every single day? The one you'd keep if you had to cut every other app? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you find one tool worth trying, hit like and subscribe to the Productivity Labs. Every week, I test the newest AI tools, so you don't have to. Thanks for watching.